Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Venmo Credit Builder settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Log in using your credentials if prompted. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and find the Venmo Credit Card option. Tap on Venmo Credit Card to access your card settings. Locate the Credit Builder section within the settings. Here, you will see options related to your Credit Builder settings. To update your spending limit, tap on the Spending Limit field. Enter your desired new spending limit and confirm your change. Next, to enable or disable automatic payments, find the Autopay option. Toggle the switch to turn Autopay on or off as preferred. Review your current payment due date and adjust if necessary. Make sure to check your credit score, which is often available in this section. If you wish to explore rewards options, tap on Rewards in the menu. Follow the prompts to either enroll in rewards or check your current status. Once all adjustments are made, press the Save or Confirm button at the bottom. Your Venmo Credit Builder settings will now be updated successfully. Exit the Settings menu by tapping the back arrow in the top left corner. You are now ready to use your updated Venmo Credit Builder features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.